Yes, we're having a huge celebration too for us in the Northern Division this Friday. And I would like to thank the Prime Minister and the government for thinking about the North and bringing over the celebration. I think those in Viti Levu, the Western Division in Suva, they had their turn of celebration. We too in the Northern Division, we are really fortunate that we are having ours this Friday, and it's a huge one. And there's a working committee at national level, and there's another committee in the Northern Division that we are working with each other to try and put together a massive celebration this Friday. It's part of the package, free bus service for all of those who would like to come and join the celebration. For those of you from Lakonrobe, bus will leave Sabu Sabu Terminal in the morning at 7:30 a.m. and taking you back at 2:30 p.m. It's the Vishnu Holdings Limited. Point of contact in the Sabu Sabu will be Provincial Administrator Lakonrobe. So you people in Lakonrobe, just contact the office for further details. But surely the bus will leave at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. As well as for those in Nambuwalu, you are not forgotten, the people of Mbua. The bus will also pick you up from Nambuwalu at 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and expect to leave at about 4 o'clock. So that's Parmod Enterprise. So Provincial Administrator Mbua the office will be in charge of looking after the picking of the passengers from Nambuwalu. We are not forgetting those from Maduata North, as far as Dogotuki. Another bus leaving to pick you up from Dogotuki at 7:30 a.m. Parmod Enterprise Limited. So all those living along Dogotuki, Numbu, Wainikoro, make sure that you stay tuned to the radios, to the medias, and see the program of the bus service that will take you from your destination to Lambasa to join the celebration and take you back in the afternoon. So everything is arranged. So people if you would like to come and join, just make your way up to, for those in Lakonrobe, come to Sabu Sabu, in Mbua come to Nambuwalu, and those in Maduata North from Dogotuki, Langa, Wainikoro, bus will be also provided for you. As well as those living within the suburbs of Lambasa. I mean, when I say that Bodalevu, Wailevu, Tiri, Waingele, Bulileka, all these areas, Unialeala, Malau, and Dongoru, Basonga, all those areas. I'm sure if you will be able to see too in the medias in the next few days the program of the bus, and as well as stay tuned to radios and television networks for a proper run-up of the program of the bus, the pickups and the drop-offs, and the pickups after the program again. The march should start at 10 o'clock, 10:30. The march should start at 10:30. Yes, it's at 10:30. The march should start at Waikona. So we expect a lot of people there at Waikona to join the march at it's 10:30. Yes, it departs Waikona at 10:30. The route of the march comes through the main street in town up to ANZ Bank, tents inside, and the back road to Nasea Methodist Church in front of the pavilion of Subral Park number 1. And once they get off, that's where all the other formalities will take place, where the Honorable Prime Minister will meet with the team and welcome them on stage, and other formalities will take just like similar to the program that we have in Suva on Monday, where the Prime Minister will deliver keynote address, followed by the address by the coach and the captain, and there'll be huge other activities with the celebrations. We will have the police jazz band entertaining the people at the ground, and the FMF band will lead the procession, the march from Waikona. There's a lot of activities in the ground on that day, and inviting the people of all of the Northern Division please come over and join. This is the only opportunity for you to meet with your winning team, gold medalists from Olympic in Rio, and we are really fortunate we have a chance to meet with them this Friday in Lambas. Be rest assured, people of the Northern Division, this is the only chance to meet with the whole team, Ben Ryan, the trainers, the management, and the whole 13 players. Two of them, the who missed the presentation in Suva, part of the program will be the check presentation to be held here at Subral Park in Lambas. The children, school children will be also taking part. We have talked with the Divisional Education Officer about 200 school children will also take part in the procession, the march, and as well as the celebration at the ground. It's not a public holiday. The public holiday was on Monday, but it's just a celebration day for us in the Northern Division. And I've pledged heads of department and members of the government, civil servants in the Northern Division to cooperate with the programs and stages and national programs. So you expect the support from all the civil servants in the Northern Division. Rokotui Maduata is organizing the traditional ceremony together with the Turanganatui Maduata, so that has been taken care of. Schools will still be open because the public holiday was on Monday, but we are just pledging with the Ministry of Education and the school principals and the teachers to please allow those school children within the vicinity of the town area to come and take part and celebrate with us this Friday.